Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings in Hyderabad location. It is from Telangana. So let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, Basavatarakam Indo-American Cancer Hospital and Research Institute is hiring for front office executive position. So to eligible for this position, you must have graduation. Freshers and up to 5 years of experienced candidates in front office will be preferred, and you must have skill sets on MS Office and the soft skills. And you please go through the job description that is mentioned here. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID, and also you can apply for this position through the link that is mentioned in the description box. You please go through with that. Next one, Toll Plus India Private Limited is hiring for desktop support freshers. So for this position, freshers and up to 1 year of experienced candidates are eligible, and you must have skill sets on desktop support. So if you are eligible, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, the Hankett Group is hiring for a trainee position for HR operations. So you must have these qualifications like MBA in HR, and 2021 and 22 batches are preferred, and you must have excellent communicational skills, and you must have good subject knowledge. So if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, IKEA is hiring for customer support center generalist position. So to eligible for this one, you must have done MBA or PGDM, like 2022 passed out candidates are eligible. Only Telangana candidates can apply, and the salary will be up to 3 lakhs per annum. So if you are fit for this position, the link is given below in the description box. You please go through with that. Next one, apexon is hiring for ETL tester position. So you must have skill sets on ETL testing, Azure and SQL Server. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, macnova engineers is hiring for different positions. So they are conducting walk-in interviews for these positions like HVAC engineer, IBMS engineer, HVAC designing engineer, O&M with complete AMC, HVAC integration engineer, HVAC procurement engineer, costing analysis engineer, IBMS IoT engineer, HVAC installation and commissioning engineer, and HVAC sales engineer. So these are the job vacancies available from this company. So for these positions, only male candidates are eligible with BE or BTech or diploma qualifications in mechanical or instrumentation or triple E or electronics and communication, like 2018, 19, 20 and 2021 passed outs are preferred. And if you go through the desired candidate profile, like you must have to relocate anywhere in India as per project requirement. You must have to physically fit. You should have the ability to work under pressure, and you will be responsible for various HVAC and IBMS activities like survey, planning, installation, commissioning, site analysis, installation and commissioning of sites, etc. And you must have leadership quality to maintain a team, and you must have to undergone for recruitment telecom program on self-support basis after their selection in macnova engineers, and you must have the ability for providing HVAC and IBMS solutions, that is solution of different kind of errors in HVAC and IBMS sites. So this is the desired candidate profile. So you must possess these qualifications, and some are responsibilities also mentioned here. So coming to the walk-in details, you can go for the interview from Monday to Friday between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So the address is also mentioned here, you please check once. Next one, EA Team Incorporated is hiring for US IT recruiters. So to eligible for these positions, like from entry level to senior technical recruiters, you must have 5 months to 6 years of US recruitment experience, and you should have experience in the entire US recruitment life cycle, from sourcing, screening, selection, salary or net negotiation, and you must be self-motivated, confident, aggressive and target oriented, and you must be proficient in sourcing right candidates through extensive portal search and vendors. And you please check once test of the qualifications and experience and skill sets required. Those are mentioned here, and the timings will be like on-site only, from like it will be night shift from 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. So if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Staffworks is hiring for bench sales recruiters. So you must have 1 to 4 years of working experience. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Origin Engineering Tech is hiring for SDS Modeler. So you must have more than 2 years of working experience, and you must have skill sets on SDS. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Iconma is hiring for PHP developer position. So to eligible for this job role, you must have 2 to 3 years of working experience, and you must have proven experience as a PHP developer in a competitive environment, and you must have strong knowledge of PHP coding and web-based applications. You must have good understanding of a website integration and software creation, and you must have excellent verbal and written communicational skills. And you please check once test of the qualifications required. Those are mentioned here, and also like you should require bachelor's degree, and you must have 2 to 3 years of work experience as it is mentioned here. So if you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Stone Consulting is hiring for HR Generalist position. So you must have 2 to 5 years of working experience, and the notice period will be 30 days or less than that. And you please go through the requirements and skill sets required. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Spears of Technologies is hiring for Java microservices, like it is a part-time job opportunity, and you must have more than 3 years of working experience. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Wipro is hiring for Android Bluetooth developers. So you must have 3 to 7 years of working experience, and you must have working experience in BT and Android, and the notice period will be immediate to 60 days. So if you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, TakeOrbit is hiring for RPA Workfusion Senior Developer. So you must have 3 to 6 years of working experience in RPA, and you please check first test of the qualifications and experience required. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Apexon is hiring for .NET Full Stack Developer. So to eligible for this position, you must have skill sets on C#, ASP.NET, MVC, SQL Server, Web API, Angular 2 and above versions, and you must have strong backend development background, and you must be good at debugging or error handling or synchronization issues, and you must have like .NET Core and cloud knowledge, in AWS, Azure and GCP. And you must have 3 to 8 years of working experience, and the work timings will be like a general shift, and it will be work from home till pandemic, and the notice period will be immediate to 15 days. So these are some, like this is some information about this position and this from this company. If you are eligible, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Cloud Forces Services is hiring for network security engineers. So you must have 4 to 8 years of working experience. If you are interested, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Coming to the next one, Citizen Spectrum Private Limited is hiring for Power BI admin position. So you must have 5 to 12 years of working experience, and you must have skill sets on Power BI and with SQL, and the notice period will be immediate and 15 days to 30 days. So if you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, StopEngine is hiring for a GCP data engineer. So you must have 6 to 7 years of working experience in data engineering solutions. You must have more than 2 years of experience in GCP data services like Dataflow, Pub or Sub, BigQuery, and Cloud Composer, Dataproc, and Data Fusion. And you please check once rest of the job description. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Grovel Softech Limited is hiring for a manager position. So you must have these qualifications like BE or BTech or MCA or MTech, or any other qualifications will be preferred, and you must have 8 to 12 years of working experience, and you must have skill sets on web services, PL/SQL, Oracle, JSP, HTML, JavaScript, Core Java and J2E, API, any IDE, RESTful services, SFMS projects like sustenance development and PTL system. So if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.